Teachers and students have one thing in common. They both have very difficult jobs. While teachers exhaust themselves trying to engage, students often just tune out, don't seem to care, or genuinely have trouble following along. The fact of the matter is that teachers and students both care, usually a great deal. So what's the problem here? Let's meet a teacher, Mr. Black, and his students, Jacob and Sally, who all start off the year, as we described earlier, challenged by the traditional methods of classroom instruction. Mr. Black would spend hours preparing just one lesson, in which he would describe in eloquent detail all of the necessary facts that he wanted students to remember. He tried making connections, but after even a few minutes, students were lost, some sleeping. In fact, Jacob was drawing a cartoon about how boring Mr. Black was. Jacob liked the course topics, but thought Mr. Black was moving too slow. Yet his other student, Sally, furiously took notes to make sure she had something to study, but she missed a lot of the class discussion in the process of trying to take notes. Mr. Black went home from school frustrated, as usual. He realized it was his night to make dinner and had no idea how to cook the cordon bleu recipe his wife left. He stumbled across a video on YouTube that masterfully explained the recipe, and then it hit him. What if he used these free online videos to help students learn? They could even watch at home. He had heard something about another teacher who even records her own videos. After doing some research, Mr. Black had a new plan for his next unit. He was going to flip his classroom. In this new model, teachers use video and digital presentations from all over the web, on YouTube and curriculum sites like Khan Academy. They even create custom videos and screencasts that take only minutes, and capture their voice and screen activity and transform it into a video. But videos are only a small part of the flipped classroom. Since teachers have taken the content they would usually teach or lecture about in class and made it viewable at home, they can take the projects and assignments they used to give as homework and allow students to work on them in class, often collaboratively, along with the benefit of their teacher's guidance. So how is this better? And is it actually effective? In short, yes, it is. Because now students can learn the content through a highly visual digital medium that they prefer on their own time, and they can watch as many times as they want while pausing and rewinding as they need. Jacob, who used to be bored by lectures, now watches assigned videos on his bus ride home. Sally, who had trouble understanding and just took excessive notes, watches the videos 3 times from her home office and stops to make sure she understands when the video goes too fast. Sally and Jacob team up and develop their digital project together in class, along with the help of their teacher, who is free to assist and answer questions that students used to get hung up on at home and just quit. Now students are succeeding. Mr. Black is loving the time he has to help and interact with students in class, and what was the most boring class on campus just implemented a revolutionary process in learning. In fact, last week Mr. Black presented his model of the flipped classroom at a staff meeting, and there's a buzz all over campus about the flipped classroom. Hey, check it out. That class just did a flip.